Hi everyone, my name is Christy. Come here, honey. And here is Dexter, my little chihuahua, jumping up to say hi and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am finally filming with a new backdrop because I am finally filming in my newly finished basement that I have this studio slash office slash makeup storage room that is built out for me, and I am so excited. I am literally living my dream right now. I dreamt of having this room when I bought my condo 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, and now I finally have it. And this is a new backdrop. This is the first time I'm filming with this backdrop, so I want some feedback in the comments down below. I'm thinking maybe putting some sort of picture, maybe this one, like on the wall here. What do we think? Is that too much? I think I like it. So I'm gonna need my boyfriend to hang that up for me. But behind me, this is actually where I store all of my makeup, in these two containers. I break it out by category, have some additional categories of makeup here, and then I have my favorite lip products here that I have space to add to. This is the bouquet from the wedding that I was in for one of my best friends, and it's fake flowers, but it looks so beautiful. So I'm like, gotta have that in the backdrop. I love flowers. So that's what I'm working with so far, but please give me some tips. I also think the lighting looks pretty good. Hopefully the sound is good. Now I'm in a carpeted room, and it's a smaller room with a panel ceiling, is that what it's called, which should absorb sound better. I have a new microphone. Now that I've updated you on my new surroundings, let me tell you what product I'm trying out today. Forgot I was even trying out a product. I thought this was a little studio tour for a second, which I could do, but I think I already gave you one because it's kind of a small room. But the product that I'm trying out today is from the brand lasplash Cosmetics, which is a brand that is new to me. I haven't heard of this brand before, but I have here the Moonlight Glow Face Palette. And I got this in my December 2021 glossy box, which was Moonlight Glow themed. So this is perfect to get. This is cruelty-free. It retails for $34. And so here is what it looks like. There are 4 shades in here, 2 matte, 2 shimmers, and I'm really excited to see how these shades are going to work for me. First, I'm going to start out with some swatches. Oh, a very nice texture to these. Like this hot pink, hot red shimmer is really pretty, but I'm not sure how that's going to look on my cheek. It's intriguing. Like that is a very bright neon pink shade. That bronzer is kind of light. Ooh, that shimmery brown. Like that's almost too shimmery for a bronzer, but maybe it could work as a highlighter. Could definitely work on the eyes. Oh, and I really like that shade of blush. It's like a beachy rose blush shade, which is really my favorite type of blush shade. So I'm really excited about that. Here you can see those swatches. They're not incredibly pigmented, but that's actually what I prefer in face powders. I'm gonna go ahead and start out with the matte bronzer here, just picking up an angled brush. I'm gonna do my bronzing and contouring, working my way around the face. Oh, wow. That is actually pretty pigmented. Oh, but look at how it blends out. That blended out really nicely and very easily. So now I'm not left with too harsh of a contour, but this is definitely a good contour shade. It's creating that shadow effect that I want. It's not too warm tone, like too orange. So it's a really great contour shade. I wasn't sure that it would be, but I like that. super easy to blend. Looks very smooth on the skin. Yeah. I like that. Let's get that jawline. Get under the nose a little bit. Okay. Ooh, that did a great job of contouring the face, warming up the skin tone. All right. I am actually going to continue with this brush. Just going to clean it off a bit. And let's warm up the cheeks with the blush called Blushing Luna. Oh, yes. That perfect bronzy sun-kissed flush. Oh, and I should really stop here. Not go in with too heavy of a hand because that looks like the perfect amount of flush of color on the cheek. I like this color a lot, so I'm so tempted to build it up more, but then I know I'd be applying way too much blush. So I'm just gonna move on to the other cheek here. So blendable. I am loving these shades and these formulas. Bring it over the nose a little bit to make it look even more natural. That looks so good. Now how to incorporate the shimmers. Like, I'm loving the complexion right now, and I don't want to ruin it with these shimmery shades, but I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try out the bronzy shimmer as a highlighter. It might be a little too dark, but let's see. Yeah, I think I really have to blend it out because it's too dark. Like, it just kind of creates a shadow streak, but it is a really pretty reflective metallic finish. So yeah, a little too dark. I can't quite build it up to enough glow for what I tend to prefer in a highlighter, but I'm going to try it out on the lid. Let's see how this looks. It's a little eyeshadow shimmer, a very pretty eyeshadow shade that actually I think I could create a whole one color eyeshadow look here so easily too, just using my finger by bringing it slightly up onto that crease brow bone. Oh yes, I love that. It has some pretty sparkle shine to it, and it's a really flattering shade for the lid. Gives a little interest to the eye, but very casual and easy to wear. Oh my gosh. Every single shade that I've used so far, I love. I have that one last shade that is intimidating me. This Midnight Rose bright pink shimmer. Like, that's a pretty lip color. You know, I'm trying it out on the face, so I'm gonna go for it just as a little blush topper. Try and not pick up too much. Okay. Not so bad, but you can see it really pinkens, reddens the cheek. And that's just not my favorite blush shade for my skin tone. I do prefer this side. Yeah, like, look at that difference that the color makes. Wow. It is a really pretty shimmer though. I like that finish on it. It gives beautiful glow to the skin. But yeah, too intense for my cheek. But why don't I try it out on the lips? Never really put a powder on my lips like this, but it's such a pretty shade. And I just have like a natural kind of clear lip gloss going on. So let's see. Oh my gosh. I got a little messy. But that actually works just so well. It adds a little shine and color to the lip, and it's buildable. Why have I never applied powder on top of a lip gloss to create a lip color? That actually works so well. It doesn't even look powdery in texture. It has a good opacity to it. I just keep going out of the lines a little bit. But if I perfected my technique, that is a great use for this. Because I love this color on the lips, and I love a metallic shimmery lip, and so I can get that with this. Oh my gosh. I found a way to use every shade in this palette that I absolutely love. So this is a literal full face palette for me now. My blush, my bronzer contour, my lip shade, and my eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Well, I love this palette. This is a great travel palette for me now as well. And I had not even heard of this brand before. So of course now I want to try out all of the products from this brand. So if you've tried any lasplash products that you love, please let me know your recommendations in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.